This dual-pack compressor kit will provide 150 PSI and a 50% duty cycle for your system. These are an ideal air source solution for any air suspension kit, air horns or your on-the-go pneumatic needs. The kit includes 2 air compressors with standard 1/4 inch stainless steel braided hoses and 1/4 inch NPT inline check valves, 2 heavy-duty 40 Ampere relays with pre-wired plugs, pressure switch, premium inline 60 Ampere fuse with waterproof holder, 2 30 Ampere inline fuses and mounting hardware. Ideal for all vehicles with a 12-volt system.